Hello guys, my name is Bhaskar Sharma and welcome you to my YouTube channel Bhaskar Blockchain Technology. Guys, I have overall 10 plus years of experience as a Azure data engineer, and in this video I am sharing that exact data engineering learning plan. Whether you are a student or a working professional or someone trying to switch into the data engineering field, so this plan will take you from confusion to clarity, right? So I have given some insight in the previous lecture. So if you haven't watched that video, then please watch that video. Okay, so guys, today we'll learn learning plan, means you can say roadmaps. Okay, it will take, see, it is a 3 months plan. So if you study well, then definitely you within these 3 months, after completing this course, you will get a job. Definitely you will get. So please follow my guidance. So let's start. So phase 1, roadmap, learning plan, data engineering, learning plan. Okay, so data engineering learning plan. Okay, so here we'll learn phase 1. In phase 1, what we will learn? SQL fundamental. See guys, SQL is very important. SQL fundamentals. You don't need to go deeply, okay? Just basic knowledge of SQL is enough, because see, SQL is for everyone. SQL is for data engineer, SQL is for data analyst, SQL is for data scientist. Okay, so you no need to know, means everything. Whatever I teach you, that is enough for you. Okay, so in SQL, what you learn, we'll go with basics to advanced. Okay, and in that, what is important? Joins is very important. Inner join, left join, right join, full join, etc. Okay, then Windows function. Windows function also very important. Okay, then CTE, common table expressions, and subqueries. Okay, next what we will learn? Aggregation and group by. Okay, aggregation and group by, it is important. Next, query optimizations basics. In basic to advanced, guys, see here I have mentioned basic to advanced. In that basics things also we'll learn all the SQL statements and all. Okay, that how to insert data, how to create table, all these things, how to delete, how to update. Okay, so everything we'll learn step by steps. Okay, so guys, the next steps is just a minute. Okay, this is done, right? So next is, guys, see phase 2. Phase 2. Phase 2, what we learn? Python. Python for data engineer. Okay, so Python also you should know as a data engineer. SQL and Python is very important, guys, that remember. Python will learn about data types, function, loop, functions, then loops. Okay, then list, dictionary. Okay, then file handling, exception handling, then pandas basics. These are very easy, don't worry about that. So we'll go one by one. So next topic will be like PySpark. Next we'll go to PySpark. So in that we'll see RDD versus data frame. Okay, then transformation, and action. Then joins and aggregations, okay, then Windows functions. These are very important. Windows function, partition and repartitions. Okay, partitions technique, Spark SQL, okay, performance tuning, inside this performance training it will come catching, this is important, broadcast, join, okay, shuffle, shuffle, optimizations, that is okay. So, and we'll focus on next interview part. Okay, so these are the things we'll learn in PySpark. Okay, see. So next is phase 4. Phase 4, what we learn? Phase 4, okay. ADF, Azure Data Factory, ADF. Okay, here we'll see that pipeline and activities. Okay, then link services, pipeline and activities, link services. What is the link services? Then data set. What is data set? Okay, then triggers. These are very important, guys. Okay, parameter and variable, okay. Then what else is there? Mapping data flow is there, data flow also we'll see. And incremental loading, this is very important, incremental loading, okay. Error handling, retry logic, okay, retry logic. This is the important things, okay. So next, if you go to what phase, we can say that phase, okay, just a minute. Next is phase 5, okay. Phase 5, what we'll learn about Databricks we'll learn, okay. So in this Databricks, it will take 3 weeks time. So overall, within 3 months, this course can be completed, okay. Like suppose if you go with SQL fundamental 2 weeks, then Python 2 weeks, okay. So that is 1 month. Then another 3 to 4 weeks PySpark, then ADF 2 weeks, okay. Then Databricks also 2-3 weeks will go. And then real-time and advanced topics, okay. So it will take 1 week or 2 weeks within that. Then after that, we can do daily interview preparations, okay. So guys, in Databricks, we'll go with ADLS Gen 2 and Delta Lake, Databricks notebook, okay. Then Delta tables, then Medallion architecture, like bronze, BRO, bronze, silver. We'll see all this step by steps. And gold, this is gold, okay. Bronze, silver and gold. So this is very important, okay. And we'll see some project also last, okay. So next is phase 6, like some advanced topic, real-time and advanced topic, like structured streaming, then CI/CD is very important, okay. CI/CD and in Azure DevOps, we'll see Azure DevOps. Then data quality checks, Unity catalog, okay. Unity catalog basics. Next, you can, if you are interested to go with some certification and all, so you can go with. So if you learn these things, then no need to take any other trainings and all outside. So you can go for any certifications, Databricks, Data Engineer Associate, etc. Okay. So for interview preparation, guys, for interview, giving some hints to you. Interview preparation, you have to study, okay, daily at least 30 minutes you have to give SQL, okay, 30 minutes PySpark, okay, 30 minute ADFs, 30 minutes, at least 2 hours, 2 hours you have to study, 30 minute ADF and 30 minutes in Databricks. 30 minutes in Databricks. Okay. So guys, if you go through this plan, this roadmap, definitely you will be able to complete within 3 months. Okay, hardly 3 months. And after this course also you have to do some preparations, okay, for interview and all. Okay, so definitely you will able to crack the interviews, okay, don't worry about that. So guys, today I'll stop here itself. So next video I'll start uploading from day 1 for Azure Data Engineering. Okay, so thank you guys, bye.